Hello dear friends, here we welcome you to the kids' room and study corner decorating ideas. These are all mother's choices to decorate kids' study corners or play rooms. Let's start. At number 10 we have the best KidCraft wooden art table with drying rack. The KidCraft art table with drying rack and storage will be the creative center of any playroom. Made of wood with a natural colored finish, it houses everything a budding artist will need to unleash their creativity. A roll of art paper mounts under the table, feeds through a slot and fastens to the tabletop for a secure work surface. Or, use the flat area for testing out new slime recipes. At number 9 we have the best kids' room and toy organizer. This toy organizer have 2 different size storage bins help kids keep toys and treasures organized. It includes 9 large and 2 jumbo detachable bins. Organizer coordinates with the Step 2 Corvette line of children's bedroom furniture. At number 8 we have Delta Children Kids Convertible Activity Bench. Easily converts from storage bench to desk and offers perfect space for playtime. At number 7 we have the best Batman Cozee Flip-Out Sofa. The Batman Cozee Flip-Out Sofa by Delta Children is a cozy sofa by day, laid-back lounger by night. This convertible seat easily flips open for multiple ways for your child to relax. They'll love to sit and read or watch their favorite movies on the sofa, but when it's time for a nap, this seat folds out into a comfy sleeper bed. At number 6 we have the best kids Tutu photo lights. The creativity for kids Tutu photo light kit is great for showing off photos. Use the light clips and cardstock frames to hold and illuminate photos, cards, notes or whatever else you would like to display. Use your creativity to make these string lights your own. Includes 5 25 feet clip light strand, 48 strips of pre-cut tulle, 40 self-adhesive rhinestones, cardstock frames and hearts, tape squares, adhesive wall hooks, and step-by-step instructions with ideas. The light strand features 10 white LED light clips with 2 settings, blinking and steady. The photo light display will look great hanging on your walls. Use your creativity to decorate the light strand however you please. At number 5 we have the Toy Story 3 peel and stick wall decals. Toy Story is back and better than ever. Now you can bring all the popular characters to your walls with this colorful and creative set of wall decals. Kids will love decorating with Woody and the gang, and moms will love how easy roommates are to apply, remove, and reposition. At number 4 we have Tutor's Kids Toy Storage Organizer. This space-saving Tot Tutor's Kids Toy Storage Organizer with 12 plastic bins stores lots of children's toys in easy-to-see, easy-to-access plastic bins. The 8 standard and 4 large easy-access storage containers are removable, making it fun for kids to take out toys, books, and games for playtime and quick to clean up after. At number 3 we have the Ready Nook as furniture for kids' room decor. The KidCraft Little Dreamer Deluxe Reading Nook answers kids' wishes to have a creative space all their own for reading, coloring or just daydreaming. An inviting tent shape and comfy cushions create a cozy spot that kids can't wait to climb into and get lost in the adventures of books. The celestial print canvas canopy helps induce a calming, more immersive reading experience. From board books to chapter books, this nook can accommodate all your child's favorite stories as they grow from emergent to fluent readers. Little hands can easily reach smaller books on the bottom middle shelf and slide picture books into the side slots. At number 2 we have the best kids bath and beach soft cotton terry hooded towel. Add some glamour to bath time and beach days with this cool and comfy LOL Surprise hooded towel wrap. LOL Surprise Dolls Dancebot, Beats and Royal High from MGA Entertainment take center stage on this pink towel with their signature rocking style. And at number 1 we have the best Puzzle Eva Plain Foam Mat for kids. Our Eva Plain Puzzle Foam tiles are just the thing to ease your mind. If you like our video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. And check the latest prices of mentioned products from links given in the description. We are highly grateful for your love and support.